everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I am going to be opening the LANKYBOX 6-pack that comes, and you can it comes with Foxy, Boxy, and all them other figures. And I also have Astro Foxy with me. I just don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. Look, Astro Foxy. So now we're gonna open this LANKYBOX. Box, come on, guys. We're gonna open this today. Aye, Captain. Trying to open it. Won't open. Oh no, it just popped back out. So, I will open this for you guys. Okay, guys, got that out of the package. Yeah, guys, so I always wanted LANKYBOX toys like these because I only had Astro Foxy. Oh, it's cold. Whew, it's cold. Sitting out there for a long time. It's definitely worth getting these things. Okay, got it out. Foxy, look at this. Foxy. You get Astro Foxy? Yeah, look at this. This Foxy moves her hand. This one, he doesn't move his hand. I don't care about that. Foxy. Foxy. Might see the butt. Might see the butt. Yeah! This rocks! Yeah! Got Rocky. So since I got Rocky, now I got the mystery fingers. There. No way. I got Ghosty. Guys, this Ghosty, literally, she glows in the dark. I got the whole crew here. No, not even lying. Look, I got almost the whole crew. Like, just look. Look at the crew. Look at the squad. Look at this squad. Look at this squad. Okay, guys, put them to the side. And let's open this one. Is it Boxy Justin and Boxy Ellie? Royal? Yo. No, I'm not even lying right now. I'm not even lying right now. I'm literally not even lying. And I got Boxy Adam. Wow, guys. Wow. I really thought I was going to get Sticky and Candy, but I ended up getting these two that are rare. I ended up getting these too. So I basically, oh my gosh, look at my collection. I almost have all of them. I just need Sticky and Candy and Boxy Justin. Thank you for watching. Stay forever and bye forever. We out. Peace.